Good morning. What's up? How are you? And let's get into the vlog.
Let me get it light.
What should we do today? Go outside.
Go outside and do what?
Do stuff.
That sounds a little weird, don't you think? Do stuff as in what?
Just go outside.
Okay, I guess that's what we're doing.
I think I found somebody with some goldfish. Let's go check it out. Let's go see what he's doing. Yo, can I have some goldfish? Guys, should we go up there? Yeah. Should we go up there?
Yes.
Let's roll.
What a wonderful day.
What is that? It's Zach. Coming out of the bushes. Let's see if we can get a shot on it. Help me. What is that? It's a pumpkin. No, it's not. Well, you killed it all right, whatever it was. Zach, run after the bird.
See those birds? You gotta go get them. Right?
Run. Fly, birds, fly. Be free. They're everywhere. Oh my god, attack of the bird. We hear some stuff brushing in this weed. I don't know what it is. Did you guys hear that?
Hey, Jackson.
Oh, hey, Zach.
Hey, guys. Hey, guys. What are you doing? Nothing?
Alright, we're gonna do the whisper challenge. Okay, he gets this music jamming, and I'm gonna say stuff, and he gotta try to guess it, alright? Show him. Like, show him. Yeah. Like, look at it.
I can't let you do this alone.
I can hear the music, okay? Ready?
Are you kidding?
Alright, ready?
No.
Okay. You are going to need a co-pilot.
Banana split.
Pilot too?
Yes. I am also a part
Bossy,
of this
bossy?
system.
No. Banana split.
I am also a comedian.
Banana split.
Elephant shoe?
No. Banana split.
I've been coasting on my fame since I was a kid.
Banana split.
Just an illusion. Maybe up there, I'll find out who I really am.
Banana split.
The car's pretty full, so.
You give up? You give up? You give up?
Yeah.
It was banana split. Alright, Mario.
Dang it.
There you go.
Elephant shoe.
Elephant shoe?
Damn it.
Dude, that's so simple.
Please, there's massive gastro
That's so simple.
I made it easy for you. Yes, that was easy.
No.
Inside, giant.
On the top, a food
You ready?
hurricane comes out the
You
bottom.
ready?
Rain?
No. Okay. I'll just ask you. Okay, you ready? Blue sweater. Blue sweater.
What about
Blue sweater.
Anybody order pizza?
a sea rock?
Blue sweater.
Sentient food? That's impossible. Unless its molecular structures mutate into super.
Blue sweater.
Genetically engineered to protect the food supply. Pizza!
You give up? It was blue sweater.
See?
Ah. Ah. Go, 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 go. What?
What are the rules? Corbin and Monique.
Don't move your lips unless you go touch
These Ty are taking a chance.
Did you ever think about trying something new?
You're a hoops dude.
Come on, go.
Singer person. Do you ever think maybe I could be both? And following their dreams.
Basketball. Basketball.
High School Musical. Wednesday, January 27th
Basketball.
on Disney Channel. You're free to be
Basketball.
heard.
Baseball?
Free to be unique.
Basketball.
And free to fly.
That's a ball in it, isn't it? Football? Basketball?
The squeezable fruit pouch is a proud
My next
sponsor
game is to
of
play
Disney
soccer
Channel.
ball.
Channel. Some features require paid subscription.
Zach and Jax.
Disney XD on Disney Channel.
Zach and Jax.
Sipping into bionic action.
Zach and Jackson?
Yeah. Oh, that was pretty good.
What's up, guys? Blake and I have never sailed before, and I can't believe we're my little bro, my mom and dad, and they're just really psyched to just.
That was too long. That was too long.
Play games together. My brother and I are pretty competitive, and we had a total throwdown.
That's it? Something with ball again?
No.
Go.
Xbox.
Hold on, one right here.
What?
Xbox.
In the Disney Infinity Room, it got real serious. We had a total lightsaber battle.
Paper plane?
No.
No, you didn't.
I'm just trying to.
Xbox.
Yes, I did. It's okay. One of the things I'm most excited about is I get to meet a bunch of my fans. And
Okay.
Xbox.
You will pay attention in class.
We're
Sandbox?
huge Star Wars fans.
No.
Totally geeking out.
Okay.
Xbox.
Is Disney
Xbox?
Yes.
Alright, I think I.
Okay, since I went first the last, on the Whisper Challenge, Jackson gets to go first on Piano Toss 2.
We get 2 tries. I mean, 1 try, okay?
Okay.
2 tries. Yeah, 2 tries.
Okay.
In case you mess up.
Yeah, don't use your thumbs.
I realize that on this one.
It's kind of harder on here, but not really.
And the best one after both of your turns is gonna be your final score. Or you want to add them up together.
Add them up together.
Okay. This is my first time on the iPad.
There's one where I had like 1,000 and something. You're gonna mess up.
Dang it, I had to roll my city. Okay, 304, that's fine. Dang it, my city's getting my nerves. Especially my luck, wasn't I? It scared me.
Wow. So how much would that be? There's 300 something.
Alright, your turn. Alright, here goes Zach. Just careful, honey, you win. Because I suck at the second one. Bro, you got this? Pressure's on. Okay, you beat me.
Ended up getting 487 on that. No, not really. Yeah, 487. Okay. Okay, that's it for the vlog today, and if y'all like it, give it a big thumbs up, and stay strong, and please subscribe.